going to make a small hook that you can use for clothing and for jewelry, and for that I have this paper clip, and I'm just going to open it up here to start with, like that. So I just have this open thing, and I'm going to take this round nose plier. I don't know the real name for this, but that's what I'm using, and I'm using the very tip of it, and with that, I'm starting to create a tiny loop in one end of this. Then I'm going to cut off the length around here, and I'm going to make it into the number 8. So I'm taking one plier in the loop here, and I'm starting to make a loop on the little piece that I just left, and I'm just using the very end of this tongue. So I have this little S hook for one end, and I'm just going to use a flat place here in this one to flatten it out a bit. There we go. Then I'm going to take this piece again, and I'm going to make another eye. Taking the other one and flatten it out. Like that. And then I'm going to put my nose thong here, and I am going to bend over this part, and of course that is teasing me right now. This material is kind of hard to work in, so just be aware of that. So I get this little eye here in one end and this U shape in the other end. And there you have a little lock for a necklace or a bra or something like that. And that's all there is to this little thing. So I hope you liked it, and happy crafting.